replacing the fob battery on this Honda Jazz key, which will probably be the same as a lot of the Hondas at the same time. It's an awkward size battery that I had to order online. None of the shops seem to have them. It's a CR1616. A little screw here. And then got this inner part here that you need to split apart. And then the battery is here. Positive down on this side. At this point you can check it is lighting up. So see, it's now lighting up. And that's it, job done.